If you like riding e-bikes like me, there's nothing worse than getting caught on the trails with a flat tire.
Okay, so it's at this point that we need the Air Moto portable deflator because my tire feels like it's getting lower. So thankfully, I remembered to bring it. I'm gonna pop it out, push this thing, pop that thing out. GoPro, you going? You capturing this, buddy? Alright. Pop this thing in, we're gonna turn it on. Look how fast we can do this. Alright, we got it on 20 psi from last time. Get it in here. Well, it says it's at 17 still. Alright. Let's give it a little top off. Give it a little top off. Alright, there we go. Unscrew this thing, hold the button, turn it off. Doot, 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 doot. Put it back in the case. Oh, something's stuck down here. There we go. Nice, 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 nice. And we did it so fast we could time it. Oh.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're just gonna do an unboxing and a first impressions on, let's see here, the Air Moto. The package came from the Air Moto store, so let's unbox it, shall we? Oh, look at this. Wow, there's some gift wrap. I like that. Let's get this box out of the way. Here it is. It's the Air Moto Smart Air Pump, model BP198. It's got long standby, 14.8 watt hours, Type C port. So it says down here we've got LED, digital display, we've got auto shut off, and preset pressures that we can use. Let's see here, up on the top of the box we've got applications, car, motorcycle, bicycle, and ball. Alright, so it's got, this is kind of a chart you can refer to for the PSI. Really, you should refer to your tire. So it says portable and compact, LED lighting, so it can be like a flashlight too. That can help out in the dark. Fast inflation. So again, model BP198. I'll have a link in the description, guys. Alright? Link in the description. Built-in battery capacity, 14.8 watt hours. Input DC 5 volts, 2 amps. Max output pressure, 120 psi. Product dimensions, 41 by 61 by 155 millimeters. 430 grams weight, made in China. Alright. Air Moto Smart Pump. Here we go. Let's pop it open, bubbies. So thanks Air Moto for sending this over. I appreciate that. So this is a paid promotion. Air Moto sent this over in exchange for this video. Let's see here. Open up, buddy. It's really in there. Really in there. I like that. Nice and tight. Hello? Alright, let's keep going here. We've got a little finger opening hole there. Oh, oh. Here's the instructions. Here is the Air Moto. Look at that, boys. Wow. So we've got the buttons here. The top it says U, and there's left is the minus, right is the plus. In the center there's a power button, and then down at the bottom there's like a settings button. Okay, and then there's like a peely sticker thing. But I leave those on as a screen protector. I guess maybe I could peel it off for you guys to show you. There it is. There's the peel. There's the peel. Look at it. Whoa, just kidding. Screen protector. No, I'll do it. I'll take it off for the review. We'll take it off for the review. Alright. So what else do we have in here? We've got a little baggie. Oh, so we've got some little different adapters for various things here. Probably leave them in the bag. Probably want to keep the bag. And then we've got USB, what is this? 2 to USB-C. So we'll probably, I'm gonna keep these little adapters in this baggie. Ooh, ooh. And honestly, the box is pretty compact too, so I might even just keep the whole box. Oh, look at this. It comes with a little case. Never mind. We don't need to keep the box. Wow. That's a pleasant surprise, Air Moto. I wasn't expecting that. I didn't see that at first. All right, so we've got our little thing here, rubber binder on it. So let's look at the instructions and see what it says. Air Moto Smart Air Pump User Manual. Let's look at the instructions. So it says portable smart tire inflator. Note, air hose installed inside the device. Press the release button on the bottom. Okay. So I guess it's this button right here. This thing right here just like pushes up and in there, and then I guess you can kind of pull that out like that. So then when you push that back down in there, it must kind of lock in place. It goes flush. And so I can show you that again. Push that down and pull it up. So here's the hose. So it looks like we can attach the hose right here. Alright, so now the hose is attached. Alright, so on the packing list it says there's a smart tire inflator, there's a flexible hose with Schrader valve, that's what I just put on there. There's a Presta valve, inflating needle nozzle for a swimming ring, Type-C cable, and the waterproof storage bag. So that storage bag is waterproof. Wow. So here's the product diagram. So it's got a deflation button right here where you can deflate. Interesting. So we've got that hose connection. We already looked at that and connected it in. So there's the storage hole for the hose up top. So what's this thing? So there's the Type-C charging port right here where you plug in the charger. The LED lighting is right here. So how do we do the light? Let's turn it on. So here's the power on and off button. It's right here, in the middle. So let's turn it on. So you gotta hold it on. Alright, there we go. So it turned on. It's on, I can see it's on bicycle mode. Okay, so when you press this U button right there, it toggles between these things up here. So it says PSI, bar, KPA, kg, centimeter squared. So I'm going to put it on PSI, because that's what I do. Okay, hello, GoPro, hello? Alright, so then we can just adjust the PSI with the up and the down buttons. Kind of curious how this works. So can we hold it? Yeah, there we go. Goes a little faster that way. So what if I set it to 18? Let's plug this thing up to a bike. Alright, here we go. So let's try plugging this up to this and see how this goes. Okay, so I'm just going to attach it. So this tire is already inflated. Okay, so it's got got a nice digital gauge on there. See that? So it says 18.5 is what they're at right now. So what happens? Can I oh, I'm pushing the wrong button. Okay, so that thing on the bottom, that's just it toggles through the presets, it looks like. So let's do that deflate button. What does that say? Oh yeah. Oh wow. Alright, so when you deflate it, you gotta give it a second to kind of get a read again. That's cool. I like how you can deflate that and it shows you. That's really useful. Because you could be out on the trail and then deflating your tire and then you can actually see that digital gauge as you're deflating it. I like that. Oh wow. I hear some thunder rumbling outside. Alright, so that's cool. I really like that. The ability to deflate it and also have the digital gauge so you can like accurately deflate it to a certain level. That's very nice. Alright, so let's try inflating. So let's let them out here. So what are we at? So we're at 16.5. I want to totally de-seat my tire because I just seated this thing on there and finally got it set straight. So we deflated it down to like 15. Let's go back up to 20. So this is kind of what I might do out on the trail or something, like lower it down a little bit lower. Okay, so let's try inflating. So I guess do we just push the power button to have it go? Is that what makes it go? Oh, there we go. Nice. Alright, there we go. Alright, so then it flashes done when it's all done. Nice. I like that. So then we can pop this thing off of here. Very nice. It seems like this thing, you can twist this thing off and it barely loses any air at all when you're taking that thing off. I like this. Alright guys, well that's the Air Moto smart air pump. I like how small it is. I like how it's got this digital gauge. I like how it's got this deflate thing. I like how it's compact and small and portable. It's very lightweight. And you carry it around in your backpack. I mean, you could even put it in a pocket. Like it's not big at all compared to a lot of inflators, you know? So this thing, I like this thing, this Air Moto smart pump. So then we can take this off of here. Put that back down in here. Pop that in there. I forget which side of it went down in there. I think it was this side. Yep. So then that's it. That's the Air Moto smart air pump. So then I think we can hold this button to turn it off. Off. Alright. And then we also have our complimentary waterproof storage case. Storage bag tote thing. Look at this. Wow. Look at that. So we can just keep our pump in here. I didn't even really need the instructions. I don't really think there's anything in the instructions that, I don't know. I mean, I guess you can just keep them in here. It seems like the storage bag, you can just keep everything right in here. So that's pretty nice. And then of course, You can see on the top of it, it's got the USB-C port where you would plug this guy into. And then you plug this USB into some kind of a charging source. USB charger. Charge this baby up. It seems like it came with some battery as it was delivered, so for now I'm just going to pack all of my goodies back inside of it. And I like it, guys. The AIRMOTO Smart Pump. I'm going to be sure to bring this with out on the trail. So there's the AIRMOTO Smart Pump BP198. Links in the description. Nice and small, nice and portable. I like that. It's just gonna go right in my backpack. And then next time I'm gonna have it out on the trail. And you guys will see it featured in the videos. So like and subscribe. Check out the link in the description to get your own AIRMOTO Smart Air Pump. So you can bring a nice little portable inflator with you while you're out riding your e-bike. And you don't get stuck anywhere and miss out on the important critical riding time. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Buy a smart air pump and support the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out. And thank you, AIRMOTO, for sending over the smart air pump. This thing's awesome. I don't have one of these, so I'm going to be using this thing all the time. Alright? Like, subscribe. Peace out. Later, bubbies.
But the process of using the AIRMOTO is quite fast. Now we've got air in our tire again.
Don't get stuck out on the trail, guys, with low tire pressure or worse, a flat tire. Get the AIRMOTO Smart Air Pump today. Link in the description, bubbies. Thanks for watching, and thanks, AIRMOTO. Thanks to the AIRMOTO, I didn't get stuck, and I got to keep on riding. And you can too, if you buy the AIRMOTO, and you click the link in the description. Support the channel. Thanks, bubbies. Later.